a drone flat over Retiro Park, Madrid, Spain. Kind of.
All right, I'm here in a central-like park of Madrid, and you know, everyone is utilizing drone technology to do these great aerial shots. So I thought I would do the best with what I have to do some drone technology and do a flyover of the park of Madrid. So bear with me and let's see how this goes. And I'm gonna start the drone now. All right, let's see how this works. All right, here we go. We're gonna fly over the park. Let's see if we can get zoom in on that lake. Gonna lift this drone up a little bit higher. Get an overview of that park. Ooh. All right, gonna go land the drone now. There you go. Better technology brought to you by Eric.